Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you're running. Office version and Windows build so fixes match your system. Once done, save and close every Office file and back up important documents to OneDrive or a local folder. Make sure your PC is plugged in or has sufficient battery. Restart Windows to clear transient locks. Then check for and install all pending Windows updates. These often include Office compatibility fixes and prerequisites that prevent deeper troubleshooting steps from succeeding. You should run the built-in repair. Go to Apps, find Office, choose Modify and select Online Repair to replace corrupted components. While that runs, sign out and back into your Microsoft account inside any Office app to refresh licensing and activation tokens. If Office opens but behaves oddly, start it in safe mode and disable add-ins under File Options Add-ins. Third-party add-ins are a common culprit. Make sure to document any changes so you can revert them if needed. If repairs didn't fix the issue, uninstall and reinstall Office from your Microsoft 365 portal to ensure a clean install. You can also create a new Windows user to test whether your profile is corrupted. If Office works under the new user, migrate documents. Finally, check Event Viewer and Office diagnostic logs to capture error codes and timestamps. If things still fail, provide those logs to support. One key tip: collect exact error messages before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.